Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we will talk about NEET SS result which got out today sometime back. So we will see they have released the group wise qualifying cutoff score, and I'm going to offer you some services here which you can access on neetmentor.co.in website, which is mentioned here, neetmentor.co.in. There are multiple packages. Okay, you can access to the portal which gives you access to these details: closing rank, seat matrix. Closing rank would be very important because you would like to check in case you are qualified. So what sort of colleges you can expect when the seat matrix comes. Okay, you will be able to access the seat matrix also, and you can access right now the previous year's seat matrix, fee structure for different colleges, allotment for the last years, and when the counseling goes on you will be able to access the allotment for this year. You can also do the college prediction based on your rank and all. You will keep on getting the notification and updates, college level details, choice preference also you can access here, and rules documentation. So there are multiple packages in case you want like a personalized guidance where you have the call support until you get the seat, until you have the chance to improve the seat allotment. So you can access those services from here, and in case you need any kind of like discussion, you can call us on 9319128677. So group wise qualifying cutoff score they have declared with the result. For anesthesia group the qualifying score is 279. For critical care and medicine group 285, ENT 350, medical group cutoff is 299, medical oncology group cutoff is 280, microbiology 340, ops and gynae 354, orthopedics group qualifying cutoff is 354 score, this much out of 600, pediatric group 287, pathology group 261, pharmacology 311, psychiatry group 315, radio diagnosis group 315 marks, respiratory medicine group 365, and surgical group 285. Totally there are 15 groups which you selected during the examination. Okay, during the choice filling I'll explain you in detail in the upcoming videos, so please make sure that you subscribe this channel, because there are few platforms where you will receive the regular updates and guidance for NEET SS. Through NEET Mentor, we have been providing the guidance for NEET PG, and we have a separate channel for NEET UG. On this platform now we are getting the guidance for NEET SS. Okay, in case you know someone who are looking for NEET SS proper counseling guidance, you can share this video or share our website or the channel name or mobile number with them. Okay, this is some of the snippet of the website. When you log in, you will be able to access these details and data, complete data for last few years counselings you can get here. Okay, I'll do deeper analysis of the examination result, group wise how many candidates appeared, okay, and what you can expect in case you didn't get qualified after like a couple of rounds. Will they revise the cutoff, and all sort of things we'll discuss in detail in upcoming videos. This is just kind of heads up for you that result has got published by, they have given the date also for your scorecard will be released in the first week of May. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.